So how can you take a small channel from less than 4,000 followers, ramp it all the way up to over 4,000 followers with one video and make over $800? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the strategy, reveal the results so you can plug it in for yourself. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to make sure that you have all the templates, all the know-how, how you can actually get started with it, but also a free passive income guide too. So let's be honest here, everyone would love passive income, and I'm going to show you how I was able to actually achieve this using an ecosystem and affiliate marketing. Now, what you see on screen here might seem complicated, but when I walk you through it, it's actually really simple. The premise of it is we use a video. In this case, we're using a TikTok video, and you could also use this for any other channel that you've got as well. So whether it's a Facebook video or even a YouTube video or even an Instagram video or even a pinned video on Pinterest. So what we did was we took one video, we told people to go ahead and check it out. So this is the video in question. It's had over 260,000 views so far as I'm recording this. But the nice thing here is this isn't the first time I've actually posted this video. Spoiler alert. So you can see by the video, I actually posted this all the way back in February 2021, and it did quite well. It actually had 49,000 views. Now the trick is here is if you've already had a video which kind of took off or at least went better than what all the others are, there's a good chance that you can reuse that video, and we call that repurposing again. A good buddy of mine, David Dang, actually showed me this strategy before. With his Instagram posts, he tends to recycle them every 3 months because there's a good chance that fresh people are going to see that new content, and the people that have seen it before have either forgot or couldn't be bothered to actually comment on it. But this is just the first part of the puzzle, because when people go ahead and view your video, they're more likely to click a link on your profile because they go and check that out as well. And on mobile, there's an option there to go to either your Instagram or YouTube channel. So I do try and make sure that people are aware of that, because you can get free traffic that way as well. But the key point was here that people were going to get, once they clicked on the link, they were going to go ahead and get this free ebook. Now, the ebook itself is available. I'm going to share the link in the description, and you're going to be able to get that at the end of this video, so stick around. The results of reposting the same video was actually quite staggering. As you can see, it went from less than 4,000 all the way over to 20,000. But this is the most important thing. When I look at how many engagements, how many shares, and how many profile views, the profile views have really exploded. So I know that people are going to go ahead and check my profile out. They're going to go ahead and click that link. And of course, by clicking that link, they're going to go and get the free ebook. Now, the ebook actually points out to various other offers. But when people actually opt in, this is when the magic happens. So this is first part of the ecosystem. And once they opt in for the free ebook, they're going to get put on a main email list, which is obviously where I make most of my money on the follow-up from that email list. But as soon as they click, yes, I'll download it, they get sent over to what we call a bridge page. Now, the bridge page itself is really, really useful, because what you're going to do is you are going to then talk to people about a particular offer. So you're acting a bridge, you're telling them the reason why they need it. So if people are looking for affiliate marketing products or to grow a passive income, then by getting the book, that's super great. But also I'm going to share with them how they can get traffic to that book for free using their social media accounts. And this is what that bridge page video does. So once they go through there, they can then go ahead and buy something for about $7. So here we go, digital product sale. And once people get on the main list, I'm going to send them back to that bridge page video and then a couple of times back to the sales video. And what that does is that then re-engages people which might not have done it at the time, or they might have forgot, the phone might have rang, they might have had to go out, the dog started barking at them, anything that distracted them from purchasing in the first place. I'm able to send them a reminder email because they've opted in for the free ebook. And after a couple of days, they get sent to a follow-up sequence which covers a whole ton of information. In fact, the follow-up sequence that I have has over 35 different products that they are going to receive emails from over the next 2 to 3 months. And this is where the whole ecosystem really comes into play, because the follow-up series sends out to an affiliate product. Now, some people might go ahead and purchase it, and next affiliate product, some people might purchase that, and so on and so on. But what does it really look like when you actually see the numbers? Well, since posting that video, I actually had a 62% bump in contacts on my email list. A couple of months ago, I decided to purge everyone on my email list. I decided to start from scratch and just start using organic methods. And the results were pretty decent. A lot of people wanted that ebook, so they all got opted in. And remember I said about the automated emails, this is part of an automation, and I have said that the links to these automations are going to be in the description, so you can upload them directly into ActiveCampaign, which is the software product that I use to manage my email list and automations. It can't be much more easier than using ActiveCampaign. I wholly recommend you taking a free trial. When people first get in, I'm going to send them a little series of emails, just an introduction about me, the truth about entrepreneurship. And you'll notice here that I'm making sure that it is in the right time zone for them. So I'm sending emails out at 11 o'clock in the morning just to make sure I'm not sending emails out, because you don't want to get an email in the middle of the night and people miss it, right? So I can make it so it's geographically correct for their time zone when they get the email. And the most important thing here is once they've received those emails, I want them to go onto my main follow-up. So I'm going to show you very, very quickly just how easy that is to do inside of ActiveCampaign. So when it gets to the end here, I just want to add something before they get into this little bucket and it ends the automation. So the only reason I have that there is so I can see how many people have gone through this process. So what I want to do is I want to add to another automation, and then I can just decide which automation to go to. And I want this to go onto new, that one there. Hit apply, hit save, done. Excellent. So now that I know everyone's that had a couple of days of emails from me, an introduction, they know who I am, they've seen my emails in their inbox, I want them to get used to seeing those emails. So we can put them through that automation, and then I have my long automation that they go through, and I'll show you that next. So as you can see here, that people are actually inside of this, they're currently going through it, and there's a whole ton of emails there. Or again, as I mentioned before, they're all getting sent to different affiliate products, right? So it actually makes sense to have these affiliate products on there, because not only are they all products that I know, I've used, I personally can recommend, I can put my seal on it so that they know it's not just some random product that I happen to find on ClickBank. This is something that I would find considerably valuable for them on their journey to making passive income through affiliate marketing, right? So I'll only recommend products that way, because I think it's important to have that sort of credibility. I think that's the best word for it, to put your name on another product and not have something that's really crummy. And the open rates for these are pretty fantastic as well. So when you look at an average email list, your average open rates are around 20%. Now, if you can see here on screen, I've got 86%, 86%, 77%. That's a low one there at 30%. I think that's a follow-up one. That's a follow-up one. That's a follow-up one. 68%, 75%, 87%, 89%, 92%. These emails get opened pretty well, and that means more clicks, which potentially could mean more sales down the line. Now, as I said before, you can actually take this whole system and use it for yourself. All you need to do is go down and see where I put in the description for email automations. Import them into ActiveCampaign. Go ahead, check out all the emails, alter your affiliate links, take mine out, of course, and then you can start doing this yourself. All you need to do is focus on that one video to start with, and the consistency of posting videos. If you can do it every day or a couple of times a week, that's great, because at some point you're going to get one that hits, one that shoots above way over the other ones. And then if you leave it a little while, you're going to be able to repost that, have all your profiles set up to send traffic to an offer that's going to convert for you and get you those free leads, which means more passive income going forward and forward and forward. Now, if like me, you are interested in passive income, then I did mention you can get the free affiliate marketing 7 steps guide. You can go ahead, you can see it in the first comment of this video, but also as well, it's going to be in the description too. But I really wanted to over deliver in this video. It's possible, so make sure that you not only subscribe, but also as well watch this video next, because this is going to show you how you can create a passive income ladder which will pay you for years to come.